Welcome to our channel, guys, and we're back. Even though we didn't left, but we're back. And yeah, this is a requested video, and it is the most watched video. Sorry. Most watched video commercial. It is the Samsung India service. Okay. Yeah, so if you're new to our channel,
please subscribe videos. If you are a fan, click the bell button to be notified.
subscribe to our channel, guys. Please subscribe to our channel.
Click on the subscribe button.
Help us reach 10,000,
Yeah,
right? Because
please.
we've never noticed that we already reached 7,000 subscribers, right?
And thank you for that, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank
And we
you.
appreciate it a lot. And please continue your support, and subscribe to us if you haven't. And again, I'm Tatay.
Nanay.
Anika. I'm Jay.
Welcome to our channel. And we're going to be reacting now Samsung India service, the most watched video. Commercial. Let me check. Video in 2017. It has around a lot of views. 200 million? I don't know.
Wow.
So let's see. Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready.
हेलो
हेलो मैम मैं सैमसंग से अमित बात कर रहा हूँ।
जी अमित,
आपने टीवी की कंप्लेन करवाई है?
हाँ हाँ, क्या आप 7 बजे के पहले आ सकते हैं?
जी जी बिल्कुल।
Oh, maybe they're technician, like service, right? Like Samsung, like the TV, right?
Right.
Okay, so they're like service people who go to the house and then fix the TV.
Probably, yeah.
Wow, that's a nice area. Full of what you call it? Nature. Whoa, he's strong, huh? Oh, not really. Ooh, okay, daily routed.
थोड़ा फंस गया हूँ बस।
I'm a bit stuck. We'll be there in no
चंदू
time.
की भेड़ों ने फिर ट्रैफिक जाम कर दिया है।
Another traffic
जल्दी
jam.
आइएगा।
Oh, she knows. There you go.
अमित,
She's blind.
जी
आइए आइए। टीवी अंदर है। टाइम पे ठीक तो हो जाएगा ना?
जी मैम।
हो गया?
बस मैम।
हाँ, अब ठीक है। चलो चलो चलो, जल्दी चलो, शो शुरू होने वाला है। जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी, आराम से।
Wow.
अमित जी, रिमोट।
जी
वेलकम बैक टू जूनियर इंडियन आइकन और आज पहली कंटेस्टेंट है हम सबकी चाहिए थी प्रेरणा।
They're opening.
तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल मेरा ढूंढना। तेरे बिन नहीं लगता
Yeah.
दिल मेरा
Oh, she's from that. Oh my God. She lived in that house before.
Everyone's
रिश्ते निभाने के लिए कभी-कभी थोड़ा दूर जाना पड़ता है। इसीलिए सैमसंग सर्विस वैन्स जाती हैं देश के कोने-कोने तक।
That's a dashing commercial.
I know. I mean, I think that's what Samsung is trying to say, that, you know, whatever challenges, whatever obstacle they're gonna face, they're gonna be there and fix your TV, right?
Right.
And also, going back to the blind people over there, even though they're blind, they are doing their best. They're striving to be normal
Correct.
and do normal things like watching TV, right?
Right.
Even though they can hear it, but they can still hear the sound.
Right.
And it's also a good motivation that one from their group, it's on that contest
Yeah.
and performing. So wow, thank you very much for this
Yeah.
video, for requesting
It's
it.
an amazing one.
Mhm.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very emotional one too.
And if you have any more videos like this that we can watch as a family, let us know on the comment section. Send us the link if you can. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to
Click the thumbs up button, the like button, and
always remember.
be happy, be nice, and keep smiling.
Thank you very much, guys. Bye.
Bye.